Hey guys, nice to see you back. Well, COVID got me and I've got a very sore throat. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make a tea for a sore throat. What you need to make this is fresh ginger, lemons, my favorite part, honey from the beekeeper, and of course, boiling water. Well, I cut some ginger in advance because it's harder for me to do. It goes faster to show you. Well, you take some slices off and then you take off the outside. What you also can do with a sore throat is you take a little piece of ginger and put it on your tongue and leave it there for 30 seconds till 60 seconds. Just suck a little bit on it, and it really helps against inflammations. It really kills the bacteria. So I think it's a prey to have ginger always in your fridge. It's very healthy, and it's always nice to put a slice in your tea. When I'm sick, I always use a very big cup. So there I put the ginger in it, and then I put the hot water on top of it. You can also boil it in a pan for 15 minutes or something. Sometimes I make natural antibiotics with ginger and garlic. Then I leave it cooked there for 15 minutes, you know. But I do it in this way with the tea. Normally, one fresh lemon will do for you. I have some more because I cannot squeeze so hard as you. So I have one old and one fresh one. And just be careful that you not squeezing the pits into your tea. Lemons are full of vitamin C. It really boosts your immune system. So it's very healthy to put in. It's always healthy to put a slice of lemon in your tea or another drink. Of course, in the summer, it's nice to have lemons because it tastes very fresh. So just squeeze the lemon above your tea and then let the juice come into your tea. Very simple. So after the lemon is in your tea, you have to add the honey. Only never add the honey when your tea is hot. It has to be drinkable because otherwise the honey loses his working to help you. So the honey will really help because it reduces the bacteria. So this is a natural antibioticum when you use it in the right way. So don't put it in boiling water. Just wait when it cools down, when your tea is drinkable. Then I put some honey in it. I put two big spoons in it now because I'm sick and it's a big cup. So don't be shy to use it. And it gets your tea a little bit sweeter because of the lemons. It's now a little bit sour. Well, I hope I could help you in a cheap way and a healthy way with your sore throat. If you like my video, please give me a like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.